If you're going to invest with one app, make sure it's this one. Because one of the biggest challenges that I see with new investors is that there are too many apps and investing strategies out there that is very overwhelming for anyone who's just getting started. And out of all the investing apps out there, Betterment stands out from the crowd, and I'll be talking about all the reasons why you should be investing with this particular app. And personally, it was the first app that I used to get started 6 years ago. Now, just as a background, a Betterment is a robo-advising platform that creates an investing portfolio based on your goal, age, and risk tolerance, which is different from just the self-directed accounts where you get to pick where you invest your money from the thousands of stocks and bonds out available. And it could be very overwhelming in that way as well. But robo-advisors is also different from human advisors that will invest for you, but just has a higher management fee that eats up at your profits. And that brings us to the pro number one, which is Betterment makes it super easy to get started. And as mentioned, is a robo-advising platform, which means that it automatically invests for you depending on your risk tolerance and your goal, whether it's 2 years or 30 years out. So another thing that Betterment does is automatic portfolio rebalance. So as an example, if you want your portfolio to have 50% stocks and 50% bonds, as it gets closer to the date of your goal, it will slowly sell off the stocks and buy more bonds in case of a market downturn. And to tack onto that, it's also very easy to get started because the barrier to entry is very low with the investment minimum at $0. So that means you could start investing right away with just $10. And on top of that, the management fee is low at just 0.25% or $4 a month. And the rule of thumb when it comes to fees like this is that as long as the fee is under 1% annually, that means it's great. Now, the second pro for Betterment is the ease of use. The interface for the app is clean and minimal, so you can navigate around it very easily. And any data that you're curious to know regarding your portfolio can be found on the app. For example, if you're curious about your performance with how much you received in dividends or how much you saved in taxes, those are all shown in the app itself. And one feature I really like is seeing the projection balance of any goal. So you can see here a solid green line where Betterment calculates how much your portfolio will be worth at the exact date as projected outcome. And it even has a poor market outcome to show how much your portfolio will be worth if the market performs poorly. Now you can see in this example, Betterment predicts that in 30 years, in June 2055, this portfolio without any additional contributions will be at $123,334 from the current balance of just $27,000. But if you have a recurring contribution that's coming in every month, that will be included into the total projected balance. So if you're just getting started and you feel like you're not contributing much, this feature actually helps you to envision how much you would have in the future. Now, the third pro is being able to invest your money depending on your goal. You could start saving for your retirement by selecting Roth or traditional IRAs, which will help you to save on taxes in the long term so that it could grow tax-free, as opposed to taxable accounts where you would actually have to pay the taxes of the growth as well. And so it's a way to actually minimize the taxes and actually put more money into your pocket using these retirement accounts. And you'll also be able to schedule monthly contributions so that you could hit your maximum by the end of this tax year. And so as an example, for Roth IRAs, the limit that you could contribute is actually $6,500. And so depending on when you start in the year, you can actually have Betterment kind of schedule it so that you're able to hit the maximum at the end of the year. And you'll also be able to personalize your goals so you can allocate your money and tailor your investment strategies depending on that goal, such as saving for a big life event or investing for a loved one. But with all of these great reasons to invest with Betterment, what's the point of actually knowing all of these things without any action? So make sure you watch this video next where I walk you through setting up a brand new Betterment account step by step and help you invest your first $10. And I'll see you guys there.